Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leigh. For those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is going to be this home team inspired look. I am from Washington DC, so I did want to represent the Redskins since we are coming up on fall. So to see how I got this very simple look, please make sure to stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so we're starting with the fresh face. I am going to start by priming. This is like a new technique that I'm trying. So I'm moisturizing my face using the, I think it's called ▴ I don't know how to say it. But then I'm going to follow that up by using my primer, and this is the Too Faced Hangover primer. It is my absolute favorite. It smells so good. It smells like coconuts. This is like one of my ride or die primers. Like, I know that it works. It's like just that good. Then I'm going to go ahead and do my brows off camera. This is using the Maybelline Studio in the shade Chocolate Brown. So I just wanted a very defined and, filled in brow. This is a great brow. And I did my one eye off camera. I'm going to bring you in a little closer and we're going to start the other eye. So I'm starting by using the P. Louise base. I'm using base number 3 to prime my lids, and this is just going to create a barrier between my eye and the base color because I am using like a red, and red pigments tend to stain. So I'm starting off by using a deep red lipstick. This is a colored Raine lipstick and it's like a bloody red. Unfortunately, the name of the shade came off of the packaging, so I don't know what shade name this is, but it's just like a really deep, like bloody red. Next, I'm going in with the Blushing Berries palette by Dose of Colors, and I'm starting with that first shade, which is called BerryPop, and I'm using a Mikasa brush E230, and it's just like a fluffy packing brush in a way, so I'm packing the color on at the same time I'm blending out the edges. The eye base just makes it so that it looks a lot darker. The next shade I'm going in with is called Roseberry, and I'm going in with a Zoeva 224 brush, and I'm blending that out towards the corners. It just gives me a more blown out effect. And with that same brush, I'm going in with Berry Chic, just to again give you a more blown out effect. And this is pretty much how you do like transitions, So for my wing liner, I'm using the Colourpop Super Shock jellies, or I believe it's like their jelly pots, whatever. This is in the shade Origami. It's just a gold shade, and this actually works perfectly for a gel liner. It's just so smooth and so pigmented that, like it worked. So now I'm priming my lower lashes, and I'm doing the exact same thing that I did on top by priming it with the base, which is this red, this deep bloody red. The thing about it is it starts off really red, and then it like deepens as it oxidizes, so it's actually perfect. So then I just placed that BerryPop color on top, and then I'm going to tight line my lower lash line, and this is Swerve by Colourpop. This has been my favorite eyeliner as of lately. And then right here, I'm using my Revlon mascara. This is a really good mascara. Actually, I have 2 of them, and like I've been loving them. So now I'm going to put glitter on my inner tear duct. This is craft glitter that I got off of Amazon. It is labeled as cosmetic glitter. So I'm just putting that on my inner tear ducts just to give it a little zhuzh. And then I'm going to be placing on these goddess lashes. These are by Coco Lashes. So there we go. Now I'm moving on to face. Since my face is already primed, I can go right into foundation. This is the Milani foundation, the concealer foundation, and this is in shade Tan 09. And I'm using my Juno sponge to blend that out. This is a really nice full coverage foundation, and it's inexpensive. It's from the drugstore. Sorry if you hear all that extra stuff, it's my kids in the background. So for concealer, I'm going in with my Juvia's Place concealer. I do have one by Milani, but it's a little deeper and I kind of wanted something lighter. So I got a darker Juvia's Place concealer. So this is in shade number 14. I usually use shade 15 and that's really, really light. It might work better in the winter, but right now it's too light. So I'm just using that concealer to conceal my face. And then I'm going in with my Kat Von D Lock-It powder. This is in the shade Golden, and I'm setting underneath my eyes, and I am also using that to contour my face and bake. Yeah, to bake. For the rest of my face, I'm going in with this Bare Minerals Touch Up Veil powder, and that's just going to set my foundation. And then for bronzer, I'm going in with this NYX Matte Bronzer in the shade Dark Tan. I do have a Milani blush, but it's more of like a luminous blush, and I really wanted a matte blush for this look. It's kind of like everything around it is matte except for my liner and of course my highlighter. But yeah, so I'm using Dark Tan to contour my face. Sorry if you hear the door. Sometimes the mic picks it up and sometimes it doesn't, but yeah. So now I'm taking just a brush that doesn't have anything on it. It doesn't have a name on it or a label, and I'm dusting away all of my baking powder. And here comes Callie. So yes, that is my child on my lap. So I'm going in with my blush. This is the Milani blush in the shade Romantic Rose, and I'm placing that on the apples of the cheeks. Again, I wanted the rest of my face to kind of be like not dulled down, but dulled down, if you get my drift. Now I'm setting my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and this is what I use to prep for my highlighter. But while I wait for that to dry, I'm going in with this Bare Minerals Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Icon. It's so pretty. It's a nice, this is like the perfect fall color, like a fall nude. Yes, bitch. And let me tell you, it smells like cake batter. I absolutely love these matte liquid lipsticks. They are so good. I did line my lips with the colored Raine whatever liquid lipstick as well. And now for highlight, I'm going in with Milani Strobe Light in the shade Glowing, which is shade number 4. Now to keep up with me, please make sure that you follow me on my social medias because that completes this look. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my channel. It will really help me grow and it would really mean the world to me. Leave a comment down below if you have any video suggestions or if there's any fall combinations that you want to see, because y'all know like fall is coming. So yeah, until next time, beauties, stay blessed.